rest, then at best you get bored. There goes Drake on the lake, I can see him through the rushes all the time, wailing I'm just ignored. Don't pretend that this is all he's doing. I'm a sucker for the billing and the cooing. But when you hear that pitter-patter of tiny feet, it doesn't matter how long I've had to sit here minding my brew. Those little heads are soft and downy, their baby pods all golden browny, the beaks constantly open waiting for food. It's the joy of motherhood, those little ducklings walking around in a line. I'll do what any other mother would to try to do my best at bringing up mine. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in style.
Morning, Ida.
Morning, Maureen.
Who is the mother to be?
Well, she'd be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. Sometimes I think I'd be better off pairing with a decoy.
Oh, well, I'm sure Drake will be a marvelous dad for the family.
Not him. Duck by name, duck by nature, ducking out of his responsibilities.
Well, how much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes with that self-satisfied stork, and she said about half a month. But 2 weeks is up.
Oh, well, the best things come to those who wait.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same.
But just think of the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed.
Waking you up at all hours.
Getting into deep water.
Attracting unwanted admirers.
Like the cat! Why do we put ourselves through it?
Because when you hear that dibble-dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble! Then watch their maiden voyage out from the bank.
Like champagne corks, you'll see them bobbing.
Accompanied by mothers sobbing, relieved, thanks be to nature, nobody sank. It's the joy. Oh, prepare yourself, Ida. It's the joy of motherhood, those little perks that make it all seem worthwhile. I'll do what any other mother would to get my ducks decked out and living in style. To get my ducks decked out and living in They're the loveliest little ducklings I've ever set my eyes upon. They're the image of their father.
Hey, speaking of Daddy, would you be a dear and go find him for me? He's probably making waves down at the local watering hole.
All right. Auntie Mormor is up now. I'll see you later.
Auntie Mormor? What a weird name!
What a big world it is.
Yeah, far out.
I was getting scrambled inside that egg.
Well, don't go thinking this is the whole world. It stretches far beyond the other side of the lake, right into the churchyard. Though I've never been that far myself.
Wicked! Let's explore!
Wait. There are 1 or 2 nest rules before you go paddling off. Number 1, no wet webbed feet in the nest. Number 2, you you must feather your own nest every morning. Number 3, no quacking after sunset. Number 4, no plankton between meals. And number 5, wait a minute. You're not all here.
Hey guys, look! There's gonna be another member of the gang!
Oh, quack, it's a big one.
Get the shell on that!
Excellent.
How come he gets such a big egg?
Yeah! We were all crammed inside our regular stuff, but that one's got a queen-size ostrich job!
It's not fair, Mama.
No, Mama, it's not fair!
Hi, kids! I'm your dad.
Take a good look at him, because you won't see him that often. Well, true to form, you missed it. The pitter-patter of petite paddles.
Well, I'm here now, okay? All right, kids, who's ready for a swim? What's the matter? All that sin taking it out of you?
There's still one to hatch, dumb cluck. The big one.
Let me see that egg. You know, I reckon that's probably a turkey's egg, Ida. You'll never get it to go into the water, so just leave it. Oi! Cut that out! Now, come with me to the lake to teach the others to swim properly.
You teach the others to swim properly. I might as well sit for a bit longer. I've sat for so long, a few days more won't make any difference.
Whatever you say, dear. All right, kids, last one to the lakes at Coots. Wait for me!
Only good for keeping eggshells warm. On the whole, they have always been more uniform. This one's different. This one's different from the rest. I can't believe a turkey's egg could fall into my nest. It's just a freak of nature, just a larger grain of all the other eggs I've ever laid. This one's different, but there's different, and there's different. Oh my word!
Honk!
What's wrong with your quack? You're not like your brothers and sisters. And you're different.
Honk!
If I say butterball, does that bother you at all? No? How about water? How'd you like to go first? Oh, swim!
I'd love to! Mama?
Oh, thank heavens! I knew you were one of mine. Oh, now, your father's taken the others out for their first swimming lesson, so why don't you and I do the same thing right here at the water's edge? Nothing fancy, mind you, just the basics to get you started. Oh, here you go. Oh, easy. Ooh, it's a bit nippy. Don't worry, we'll warm up soon enough. The important thing is to not be afraid of the water.
I'm not afraid, Mama. Can we swim out to that island?
Oh, good gracious, no, it's further than you think. I haven't even been out there since your father and I were courting, and I didn't even mean to go that far then. Now, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Just do as I do, and you should take to it like a duh. You should take to it.